Whenever I'm in trouble, I ask my dad for his advice. And everything he said, it always seems to turn out right. That's why I talked to Dad the other night. Oh, what to do to make my baby act right? He said, son, all you got to do is take my advice. He said to make your girl love you, son, to make her kiss in her, you gotta get tougher and treat her wrong. And if she cries, son, so what? She's trying to put you to a test. So watch your step and don't forget, son, you know your father knows best. If she gets mad and wants to quit you, here's what you say. Alright, baby, I don't care if you do. Remember, son, there's another girl that's waiting just for you. He said to make your girl love you, son, to make her kiss in her, you gotta get tougher and treat her wrong. And if she kiss you, son, so what? Your girl's no different from the rest. She's trying to see what she can get, son. You know your father knows best. I took my father's advice and I did just what he said. Yeah, my baby thought that I was out of my head. I asked my dad what went wrong. He looked at me and said, oh, another thing about your girl you should know, that if she's something like your mother, here's what you do. You better do the things to show her that you love her. And if you don't, you'll be getting in a whole world of trouble. If you want your girl to love you, son, and always listen her, you better show her that your love is true. I took my father's advice and I did just what he said. Yeah, my baby thought that I was out of my head. I asked my dad what went wrong. He looked at me and said, oh, another thing about your girl you should know, that if she's something like your mother, here's what you do. You better do the things to show her that you love her. And if you don't, or you'll be